Good afternoon, people. It's David here. Today's video is a request for Kira Cantafio, who wanted to see Scoop, the 2012 Furby, hanging out with Maybe the Furby Connect. First of all, today's shoutouts go to Anna Bennett, Brandon AJ, Selena Page, Samantha Garcia, Jasmine the Crazy Furby, Tracy Desmond, Savannah Cruz, Katrina Bates, James Gregory, and Maggie Hansen. So let's make them up.
About tonight. Minds think alike. Whoa. Ite, daka unai. Shh, unai, don't tell us so. So hungry. Eat. School bus. Squeeze cap. That's what Todd's saying. Wanna see trick? Flip cop. Whoa. Wait, unai kidding ka? Ide, ata. Dude, Dido. Yes, very yes. Aw, I need all the hugs. Ide. Yuna, unai ama boo idea. Huh? Do? I wanna dance. Put on tunes, Dido. Dabu, no way. Do? Nunu Coco. Yes. When I wait to Kawaii, you fight. I want a lule. Play. I know, right? Do what? Boo way.
Maybe seems to like Scoop.
No. Wait, yes, wait. No. Nabuda no la, weba nabuda no la. Huh? Unai is so cute. We are everything. Eat ata. Nuna, I'll be back. Shoo, 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 shoo.
And there you have it. That was Scoop, the 2012 Furby, hanging out with Maybe the Furby Connect. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one. This is David signing out.